Hi everyone, today we will gonna learn about Vlookup. It's a very important formula used in our day-to-day data analysis, whether you are working with finance, supply chain, sales, compensation. You will gonna see Vlookup everywhere, and it's a must-needed must-needed formula if you want to use Excel. So what VLOOKUP is, VLOOKUP is used to bring uh, data from other files, and we can only use VLOOKUP when both of those files have some common column. So here we have Superstore data. This is a separate file, and we need a product data which is on which is present in other file. So we need to bring category, subcategory, product name in Superstore file. So we have a common column which is order ID in product file, and if I go to Superstore file, here we have order ID as well, right? So let's start VLOOKUP formula. So we will gonna bring category first. Let's name the column as category. Every formula starts with equals to, or you can use plus sign as well, equals to VLOOKUP. So once we write VL, Excel is suggesting, are you want to use this formula? Yes, you can double click it. It will gonna complete it, the text for you, VLOOKUP, and open the parenthesis. Then you have to select your corresponding common identifier, which is A2. Select that. You see these are like moving dotted lines. This is because that cell is not locked. You need to lock that by entering comma. Now you have to select the target range. Another file, go to product file. Start from the common column and like that, clicking on A, and drag it to the right to the required column, which is category in column C. And there is one thing you have to note while you were dragging the columns and selecting the range. You need to see the multiplied by 3 sheets telling you that you have selected 3 columns, and we need category column which is at position 3, right? So now we have to lock that range by entering comma, enter the position 3, then again you have to enter comma to lock it. For exact match, you can either write false or write enter the 0. I usually use zeros. For exact match, you can close the parenthesis, press enter. Here we go. So you can check. You can copy this order ID, go to product, and press Ctrl F to find that ID. Find next. So you see we have category as office supplies. So if you want to category for all the rows, you just need to go to bottom right, double click that. It will gonna copy all the formula all the way to the bottom. You can see it's 51,000 rows. Excuse me. Now we have to bring subcategory. Just name it subcategory. We will do the same thing again, equals to VLOOKUP. Select the common identifier corresponding, lock it by entering comma, Go to the target file, start selecting the range. Remember, when you are selecting the range, always click here where you see alphabets. So it will gonna select whole column and drag it till subcategory. And you see subcategory is at fourth position from order ID. Lock the range, enter the position 4, comma, we need exact match, 0, parenthesis close, press enter. We have subcategory here. We need it for all the rows, just need to double click on the bottom right. It will copy VLOOKUP all the way till the bottom. Now we need product name here. So just name the column product name. We will enter VLOOKUP. Do the same thing again. Go to VLOOKUP. Select the corresponding common identifier. Press comma. Select the target range. Range will start from the common identifier. Drag it till your desired column, which is column E, and the position is 5 from order ID. Lock the range by pressing comma. Position is 5, comma, we need exact match, parenthesis close, enter. We have product name here. Double click at bottom right. All the formula is copied all the way till the 51,291 rows. We will gonna press Ctrl S to save our work. For say if you're working with the big data and you have like 100,000 rows and you have to bring like 30 columns in, it will make your file quite heavy. To make it slim and sleek, there's a small trick we as a data analyst use. So let me show you the file size. Let me go to the folder. You see the Superstore file is 9.5 MB. So if you want to reduce the size, you can select the all formulas by selecting them. Press Ctrl C. Go back at the top from where you have copied the formula, right click it, paste special, select values, press OK, and press save. Now let's see what's the size. You see now file size is reduced to almost 5.5 MB. So this is a small hack which will gonna reduce you Excel processing time, and which will gonna make your file very slim, sleek, and which will be very easily used by end user. Thank you for watching this video.